New Huracan combo.
I'll take you up here and then I can drop you right back off on the same corner.
That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm a huge car fan, man.
Yeah, so am I. I mean, like, I know what it's like because, like, I don't know. I'm only 21. Oh.
Oh,
I locked it.
what? That's freaking awesome.
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Chris, what's your name?
Alan.
Nice to meet you.
You just made my day, man.
Yeah, I figured, man.
Wow. Oh my God.
488 Speciale over there.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's fun to drive, man.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's why I got it.
Dang. Sounds so good.
Yeah, it
The
sounds
pops.
great.
Oh my God.
I know, I love it. It's
Yeah.
like,
Huge fan of the Huracan. Oh my God.
I love it. Yeah, my favorite car. That's why I rented it. I was like, I want a Huracan Performante. It's like my dream car. But I was like, oh, this will do for now. Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
I got the top off and
Oh yeah. Where was that street that you were on? That was
Rodeo and I don't know what the other one is.
all right.
But oh my God, you made my ear. It's like,
I'm glad.
wow. This is awesome, man. This is,
Yeah, good day for
guys.
car spotting too. A lot of stuff out.
yeah, yeah. Nice 48.
Yeah, it looks good. I was between this and a 458 or a 488. I was like, which one? But
Yeah, definitely a Huracan. I love the sound.
yeah, I think
Natural
it's more like
aspirated.
raw. It's more
Yeah,
like
yeah,
a sports
yeah.
car. Ferrari's for like people that like to go shopping.
Yeah.
Is it cool if I drop you off right in this
Yeah,
light?
anywhere.
Sweet.
Anywhere.
This is my girlfriend right
Oh,
here.
okay. I'm sorry. I just took.
No, you're good.
I'm sorry. I took your spot.
See ya.
See you, man. Thank you. Woo! I just got picked up in a Huracan. Oh my God, that was so fun. Oh my God! Thank you for letting me ride in that car.